In this question, you have to identify the feature that is used to distinguish male cockroach from a female cockroach. Option A, presence of a boat-shaped sternum on the ninth abdominal segment. Now it is incorrect because this is not the distinguishing feature between male and female cockroaches. Option B, presence of caudal style. Now, caudal styles are short, paired, spine-like structures found on the ninth abdominal segment in male cockroaches only. Thus, this feature is used for distinguishing male and female cockroaches. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, presence of anal cerci. It is incorrect because both male and female cockroaches have anal cerci, which are sensory appendages located at the end of the abdomen. Option D, forewings with darker tegmina. It is also incorrect because both male and female cockroaches have forewings with darker tegmina.